Alright, welcome to my video. My name is Maz White, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how you can start an affiliate marketing online business without spending any money in the form of running Facebook ad, Instagram ad, YouTube ad, or Quora ad, or any form of ad. All right, because oftentimes I discover that this is the scary aspect for most affiliates. All right, the reason is that uh, loads of affiliates started with no money. All right, they didn't have the fund to start, or they were looking for something that they could looking for a side hustle that they could do without spending anything. All right, so the answer is yes, you can actually do affiliate marketing without spending money promoting your affiliate offers. All right, you can make affiliate commissions without spending money. All right, except for buying courses that equip you and show you how to actually do affiliate marketing. All right, so this is what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. All right, because this is the method I employ, all right, as an affiliate, and I tell you I make affiliate commissions doing that. All right, so let's jump straight to this topic now. If you're watching my video for the very first time, please, I encourage you to go ahead right now and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, and leave a comment. Tell me how this content is and how it's serving you, because the purpose is to actually serve you. All right, give you tips, give you tricks that helps you to do affiliate marketing and do it with results. And like I said in my previous videos, affiliate marketing is about one of the best online business that you can set up without spending any money, building inventory. All right, and what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply the process of earning commissions by promoting other people's product and services, primarily on the internet. All right, and that is that. So one of the methods that you can employ to do affiliate marketing with no money is what I call leveraging an already established audience. All right, you can leverage an already established audience, because when it comes to promoting your affiliate product, all right, your affiliate offer, the key thing is being able to identify your audience. All right, you must be able to identify your audience, make use of your audience, and have you make money. All right, now to do affiliate marketing with no money, you must leverage an already established audience, more especially a free one like a Facebook group. I'm recommending a Facebook group. Go join a Facebook group that is related to your niche. All right, having chosen your offer, all right, your affiliate offer, go look for a Facebook group that is related to your niche. All right, and join as many as you can, and also be on the lookout for lookalike groups. That means groups that are closely related to the group that you are in. Okay, groups that are closely related, where you're sure your ideal customer is going to be in. All right, they need what you have. All right, look for such groups, join those groups, and then share your story, share your experiences, be active in those groups, participate in those groups. All right, and over time you're going to build trust, you're going to build relationship, you're going to build your brand is going to come up. All right, and I tell you, by so doing you're going to make sales doing that. All right, that is number one way. That is the first way to do it. All right, and secondly, you can also leverage your Facebook profile friend list. All right, this is also an already established audience for you. All right, so you go to your Facebook profile, post your content, tell your story, post strategies, share values on your Facebook profile. Let your friends know what you're doing. And I tell you that there are loads of your friends out there who want what you have, who want to for instance, if you're in the make money niche, all right, they want to learn how they can actually augment their income. They want to learn how they can actually make side incomes to improve their lives. A lot of them are who want to get out of the 9 to 5 routine thing. All right, they want freedom, they want financial freedom, they want to work at their own time, they want to live their dream life, they want to travel, but they don't know how to figure it out. But if you're able to bring share content within your Facebook profile, and I think they come to discover that you're actually answering most of the questions that they got in their hearts, I tell you they're going to reach out to you, and I tell you they are your potential leads, they are your potential buyers. All right, and you're going to make money doing that. All right, and don't forget, in sharing your content on your Facebook profile, don't forget to have a strong and relevant call to action. All right, have a strong and relevant call to action. Tell them what you want them to do, tell them to go take the step, tell them actually what you want to do. That is how you make yourself. Don't just post content and share values on your profile and groups, especially your profile, and not have a strong call to action. It's so important that you have a strong call to action. All right, so that is one way that you can actually do affiliate marketing with no money. All right, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there are different approaches. All right, 1,000 approaches on how to promote your affiliate offers. All right, so don't give up, all right, and be on the lookout, make your research. All right, that's how you're going to be winning doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so I encourage you, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and hit the notification button. All right, God bless you. And below this video, in case you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, or you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, or you have been doing affiliate marketing with no results, all right, I have a training that I'm going to leave the link below this video. This very training, I believe, is the best training when it comes to equipping you to do affiliate marketing. It leaves you with every necessary knowledge that you need concerning affiliate marketing. And not only that, this training is going to hold you by the hand and show you how to do it with video content. All right, also it leaves you with sample templates. All right, it leaves you with sample web pages, email copies, loads of template out there that are going to help you to do affiliate marketing and to do it winning and making results. God bless you for being here with me to the end of this video. I'm leaving the link to this training below this video, so go click on that link below this video, watch that training, and take action. All right, to transform your financial life. All right, aim to achieve financial freedom. It's very, very relevant. God bless you. Thank you.